I forget my phone.
You mean, I forgot my phone.
Yes, I forgot my phone. But we must go fast.
Right. We should hurry. Your job interview is at 10.
Yes. We need take bus.
Say, we need to take the bus.
Yes, we need to take the bus. I feel so nervous. Without phone, I can't see the map.
You should say without my phone or without a phone. Don't worry, I know the way to the company.
Thank you. I always use my phone for everything.
Today you'll learn that you can survive without it.
What time bus come?
Say, what time does the bus come?
Ah, yes. What time does the bus come?
It comes in 5 minutes.
Good. I no want be late.
You mean, I don't want to be late.
Yes. I don't want to be late. Oh no. I can't pay. I always pay by phone.
Do you have cash?
I think I have small money.
You mean, I think I have a little money.
Yes, I have a little money. Everyone is looking at their phone. Only I am looking outside.
Good. And the view is nice, right?
Yes. I see a cute dog. Makes me smile. Interview go good, I think.
You mean, the interview went well.
Ah, yes.
That sounds more confident.
I want to call my sister. She is waiting for news.
Of course.
I want buy coffee for the celebration.
Say, I want to buy coffee.
I want to buy coffee, but I can't pay. No phone.
It's okay. I'll buy it for you today.
Thank you. Next time I will buy it for you. Today was hard but nice day.
Say, today was a hard but nice day.
Today was a hard but nice day.
What did you learn?
Without phone I look more. Think more. I talk more.
Exactly.
But I miss music. I want to listen to music. Oh, my phone is here. In my jacket pocket.
So you didn't forget it at home after all.
I forget I have jacket.
You mean, I forgot I had my jacket.
Yeah, I forgot I had my jacket. Today was very fun.
You did great. Phone or no phone, you survived.
Yes, and maybe tomorrow. I'll try no phone again.
Let's take it one day at a time.
Wow, today was hard but fun.
Yeah. Now it's your turn. Can you spend a day without your phone?
Try it and tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English adventures.